Welcome to Blue Carbon, a high-tech center integrating science, industry, and trade. Our manufacturing team not only has extensive experience, but also specializes in the use of various electronic technologies to create high-quality products. Whether it is precision machining or quality inspection, we are able to accurately grasp every detail to ensure that our products meet the highest standard. In addition, Blue Carbon already has 18 industrialized 5.0 factories, opening up the whole industry chain from product design and development to mold processing, lithium iron phosphate battery compartmentalization pack, laser welding, component placement, electrical assembly, BMS installation, battery panel assembly, finished product assembly and system testing. We have achieved product design specialization and product molding, production standardization, easy installation. Choose Blue Carbon to build a healthier, sustainable world. Contact us to start your customized solution.